you tell us which NetSuite modules are required in addition to Next Service?
Service does not require double licensing. There's a license to use the mobile device, right? And typically people in the field don't need to use NetSuite. They're just doing the work and they're recording time and inventory. That would be the only time you'd need double licensing. If you want long install tasks or jobs that require more than a week of work, you're going to need to purchase NetSuite's Advanced Projects or Suite Projects module. We do need to use CRM because we need customers. So if you're using something like Salesforce, for instance, there are connectors to feed that data through into NetSuite. CRM comes with NetSuite. NetSuite comes with inventory. There are simple projects which we can use out of the box too for warranty and PM work. Designed ourselves to handle a very minimum set of NetSuite modules so we can support the maximum number of customers.